Welcome guys, so today I am with the Edifier TWS330NB and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android phone. So the first, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom of the charging case in this place you can find input for the USB-C cable, and after that you can just simply open the case. As you can see, the indicator turns to the white and it's blinking on the white. It means that right now earphones are visible to our devices. But if this indicator is not blinking, you have to move this earbud to the pairing mode manually. So how to make it? You have to rotate this case, and on the back you can find this button. You have to click and hold it, just like that, until this indicator starts blinking. Then put it close to your phone and do not close. Then open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. Click right here on the switcher to activate this feature and take a look on available devices list. We have to wait until they pop on the list, so just be patient. Okay, looks like they are right here, so click on them once and we got some kind of the pairing issue, so let's try one more time. Okay, right now everything is fine and we can tap to pair, but if you are still unable to connect them to your phone, I can recommend you to close the case and restart this process. So basically use the back button to move them to the pairing mode one more time. And after that, when you take them out of the case, as you can see, they will be connected and you can simply listen music with your Edifier True Wireless Sound 330 and your Android smartphone. So yeah, as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.